folks, Peter Crump here from Bob Pedler Real Estate. I'm out at my newest listing, 30 Hart Street in Amherstburg, in this beautiful landscaped yard. I just can't get enough of this today. Anyways, we're gonna go inside in a second. I'm gonna show you how completely well kept this place is. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna love the neighborhood, especially in beautiful Amherstburg.